This is Dr. Jonathan Lebowitz at Lebowitz Plastic Surgery in Huntington, Long Island, New York. And we are doing a split earlobe repair. Not only are we repairing the earlobe, but we are doing with it an earlobe reduction. As we age, our earlobes kind of stretch out and they lose their tone, become thin, and they become big. So over time, with an earring, it just splits through and you get a V-shaped defect like this. But a lot of people want it repaired, and what I do is I just don't repair the cleft or the split in the earlobe. I make the earlobe itself smaller and tighter and cuter and younger, almost like an earlobe lift. So when we re-pierce it, after it heals a couple of months later, they have a cute, beautiful looking earlobe. I've already numbed her. That's why it's a little swollen. She's already had Novocaine. And the first thing you do is what I'm doing right now is you kind of split it down and fresh up the edges. As you can see, there's minimal bleeding. So with this, take a beautiful wedge out. So we just make a gorgeous excision of the scar. A little cautery to stop any little bleeding. So we freshened it up. Little cautery to stop any little bleeding, and we're ready to close it up. So important to put a beautiful stitch right at this edge. And that's a beautiful deep stitch. And the edges are perfect. And the back is perfect. And continue to the back side of the ear. We'll take these stitches out in about a week's time. And then we can re-pierce it in about a month or two. Probably more towards the 2 months. Let the swelling and the internal scar tissue just kind of go away.
Okay, so I have to come back to have the...
Yes, ma'am. About a week. And that's it. Let's put some steri strips. And it's beautiful. And smaller. And when we re-pierce it, it'll look, you'll have an ear of a 20-year-old. And you can shower tomorrow. Get these wet.
Okay.
And just leave these little steri strips on, these little butterflies. And that's it. So this is Dr. Jonathan Lebowitz at Lebowitz Plastic Surgery in Huntington, Long Island, New York, just completing a earlobe split repair and reduction under local anesthesia. You can reach me at 631-424-0101, and please visit my website for pre and post-op photos and other videos related to different surgeries that I do at www.lebowitzplasticsurgery.com. Thank you.